So binigyan tayo ng kwintas. Saka pagkain. Ayan. Pupunta na tayo sa table natin. This is the venue. Albert, da? Here na lang, oh. Sige. 4 o'clock yung registration. And then, 5:15. Di pa nagsisira yung front. So, hintay-hintay lang tayo. So, habang naghihintay, picture-picture muna tayo. Then pagpasok ulit natin sa loob ng hall, biglang may lumapit sa atin to conduct an interview. So, kaya na pa tayo naghihintay. Gutom na tayo, so lumabas muna kami para kumain. Ayun, pinalabas ulit kami lahat. Pipila daw, rarampa ulit ang pasok. So we are now here, next in line. Sunod na tayo tatawagin.
Architectural Design and Construction Company, Top-Notch Construction Corporation.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall.
Tapos din yung awarding. So, nandito kumakain na with the boys. With the boys.
The beautiful, we will glow in the dark, turning dust.